welcome back to the channel, family. Hey, I appreciate y'all. If you're watching this video, you are on the third part of this series on how to grow and scale your Shopify store. If you haven't already done so, if you're watching this video, go back and watch how to start an online business, and the video after that, I believe, is how to get your first 1K sales on Shopify. I show you guys step-by-step strategies, and you got to watch these videos in order so you don't get lost. Now, without further ado, let's get into this video. Making your first $1,000 on Shopify, I'm not gonna lie to you, it feels amazing. It feels great. It feels like something that was once an idea that came out your mind into the world is manifesting and people are liking it. You feel good about yourself and you want to keep going. Dang, I made my first 50, I made my first 20, I made my first $100. What more can I do? Can I make even more money? Then you hit that $1,000. But here's the truth. Most people get stuck there. They stop doing the work and they never scale past $1,000. I've been there. So my personal experience in 2019 when I launched my product, everything was going great. I didn't have like a real strategy. So I couldn't figure out how to grow without being burnt out. You know what I'm saying? Go hard in my business for about a month, but after a month, I'm like, oh man, like if you don't know by now, I suffer from mental health issues. So from anxiety, depression, I get in my own thoughts in my head, and then it be like, I don't want to do this no more. And if you don't know, I've had several businesses, and this is my 7th business. And this one actually got me my first 7 figures. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to scale from $1,000 to $10,000 because it's possible. I had certain systems in place, so sales came to me without me having to hustle and grind 24/7. There's people out there that own Shopify stores that they gotta constantly put out content every single day. Like their job, they don't have no 9 to 5. They don't have nothing going on. I'm a full-time father, husband. I got a lot going on. My son got AAU. So, you know, I'm the freaking Uber driver. Okay, I'm everywhere. I don't have time to make content every day. So if you're in that boat, I got you. Step 1, raise your AOV, which is your average order value. You don't need more customers, you just need your current customers to spend more. Here's an example. I bundled my top selling products all in one bundle pack and called it the Deep Waves Bundle. Deep Waves Bundle come with a brush, silk do-rag, pomade, hair growth oil, and a shampoo bar. All your essentials for getting 360 waves in one pack. Here's an actionable step you can take. Create a bundle, offer free shipping over $50, add frequently bought together to product pages, use the Shopify app frequently bought together. Simple as that. Now, you're saying, Sylus, I only have one product. What the hell am I gonna bundle together? Hey man, put 2. Buy 2, get 1 free. Or buy 2, get the third half off. Buy 1, get 1 half off. You gotta open your brain. Step 2, build repeat purchases. It's easier to sell to someone that already trusts you rather than a stranger. Here's an example. I email my customers 2 weeks after their order with a restock alert and a VIP discount. Who don't love a discount? Here's an actionable step you can take today. Use Klaviyo to set up a 3 email flow. Number 1, your first email is going to be the order thank you. Next is going to be the usage tips and tutorials. And lastly, a discount offer for their next purchase. Step 3, which is my all-time favorite, use UGC and testimonials to build proof. You got to let your customers sell for you. You don't have to talk about how great this product is. If you really got that work, your customers gonna tell everybody, they mama, they granny, they nanny, they sister, they brother. Word gonna spread around about how great your product is. So it's important that you collect those customer reviews on your websites as well as pictures and videos. Here's an actionable step you can take. DM 3 past customers and offer them a free gift for a quick review or video. Post their feedback to IG Reels and Shopify homepage. Step 4, create scalable content systems. Don't just post once and disappear. Build content assets that bring traffic daily. For example, I batch filmed 7 reels in one day, scheduled them with MetaPlan, and use those same videos on TikTok. Now, you're currently watching me create this video, but I create about 7, 8, 9 videos in one day. If I get tired of looking at myself in the same shirt or same setup, I'll switch it up. I'll throw on a hoodie, throw on my do-rag, create the content so it look like different days. But if you got time a Saturday morning, and if you got kids, dish out that money, get everybody out the house, record content all day. Like, hey, bae, hubby, wifey. I need about 5 hours. Go to the store, go shop, go do something, but get the hell up out of here. I gotta record content. All right, so you're not just gonna record any type of content. You're gonna record 3 types of content. One is a transformation demo. Another one is gonna be behind the scenes. And lastly, you're gonna address frequently asked questions. I don't know about you, your boy don't like to read, okay? So if you got a site with frequently asked questions and it's all typed out, I ain't looking at all that, bro. Let me look at a video so I can get straight to what I need to look at. Simple as that. All right, y'all, this is the last step, step 5. Introduce simple paid ads. Only on retargeting only. What is retargeting? Retargeting is people that already came to your site, they purchased something, boom, you're gonna reach back out to them people, or they came to your website, checked you out, didn't buy anything, you're gonna retarget them people. Or they came to your website, checked out some stuff, and added stuff to their cart, but they didn't purchase, you're gonna retarget them folks. You don't need a big budget to scale. Start with warm traffic only. Here's an example. I ran a 5-day retargeting ad to people who viewed my store in the last 7 days and saw a 4x return on ad spend. Some actionable steps you can take is use Meta Ads Manager, create a customer audience like viewed website last 7 days, run a simple carousel ad showing benefits and that discount code. So if you don't have funds, I know this might be someone's question. What if I don't have money to run ads? Well, if you took steps like in the previous video that I spoke about and get you a business credit card with your current bank, usually fresh businesses get about anywhere from 2 to 10K on a fresh new business with no sales. If you utilize your business credit card, run that ad spend, and as you get that return on ad spend money, you won't pocket it everything. You would take the money out that it costs you to get there. And if you're doing a 2x or better, you damn sure got the money. But if you're looking at a 1x, I want to say anything less than a 2x, you need to cut that ad off. But if you're getting a 2x or better, you can utilize that money that you're getting off the sales, pay your credit card off, and profit the rest. Simple. Look, y'all, scaling your Shopify store isn't about doing more. It's about doing the right things consistently. From building your products to automating your email flow, this is how you unlock the 10K a month level. In the next video, I'll show you the best Shopify app I personally use to automate and grow so that you don't get burnt out doing it all manually. Comment the word 10K loading if you're scaling right now. Like this video if it gave you direction, and subscribe to the Ecom Playbook. I'll show you exactly how to hit that 10K, 20K, and beyond without wasting any money or your time. See y'all in the next one. Peace.